Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find large files on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open the PC that contains, of course, your Windows 11. If you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free, without any cost. Of course, you can run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, so consider that, but it's not going to be a big problem. And of course, once the download or the installation finished, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you will find your Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not make you lose any of your files. Of course, your PC will remain the same, just Windows 10 will be replaced with Windows 11. Of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But I guess when you get used to into Windows like 11, you'll like it even much better than Windows 10. My opinion, of course. So as we said, we would like to find some large files on the Windows 11. So the first thing that we'd like to do, we can just go and open the file explorer. We can just go and look for it if you want, or you can just use the shortcuts, which I use always, which is the Windows E on your keyboard, and does open the file explorer home screen directly. Now you'd like to go into, like, as an example, this PC or downloads or whatever you want, and if you want to look for large files, make sure to right click wherever you want. So let's say, as an example, I'm just going to into the downloads, and now I'm just going to, like, sort. I'm going to sort or right click, both works. So as you can see, if you right click, you can just click at sort by, or here on sort you can just go and sort by, like ascendant or descendant, and group by. What we would like to choose now is size. So when we choose size, as you can see, the largest files will appear on the first if you are, of course, choosing descendant. If you are choosing descendant, the files with lowest size will appear on the first. So of course, that's how you actually find large files very quickly on your PC. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.